Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by preparing your project quickly. Create or open the Android app and confirm the application ID. Next, register the app in the Firebase console and download the Google services. JSON file, place it in the app/directory so Gradle can read it. Once done, add the Google services class path to the project level build. Gradle and apply the COM. Google, GMS, Google Services plugin in the app level build. Gradle to enable automatic resource wiring. Now add the Firebase bill of materials and the specific libraries you need, for example Auth or Firestore, to the app level build. Gradle, this keeps versions consistent. After syncing Gradle, make sure your project uses Android X and correct Java/Kotlin targets. Then initialize Firebase explicitly by calling Firebase app. Initialize app this in application. On create, or let the auto init run. This initialization is essential because it loads credentials from Google. To finish, write a minimal test. Sign in with Firebase Auth or write a document to Firestore, then run the app on a device and watch Logcat for successful initialization messages. Make sure to add your app's SHA-1 and SHA-256 fingerprints in the Firebase console if you use Google Sign-In. If something goes wrong, one key troubleshooting tip: verify the Google services. JSON matches the exact package name and build variant. Re-download it if needed, then clean and rebuild the project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.